Welcome to the double digits episode of Jory Caron acquires a taste for persimmons? It's a working title. We'll get something better, I'm sure. As with most things, hot sauce makes them better, you know? You have some bland food, kick it up a notch, hot sauce. Go all the way, hot ones. Throw some of that, just a dab will do, I've heard. This is really thick. It actually reminds me of trying to choke down some persimmon. It just doesn't work. Okay, here we go. Maybe the persimmon cancels it out. Oh!
Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for persimmons.